Today was easy peasy. First I got my bike serviced by Justin, and once he finished I was on my way. But not before crossing off something on my bucket list.
About this one I've been wanting to do since I got here. I've seen these courses.
Ready? After my run, I ended up going to the waterfalls Justin recommended, only to find out that it was dry for the season. Then at the World Circus Museum, I found out that Barnum and Bailey started in Wisconsin. Who would have thought? I ended the day with a meal at Culver's, feeling a bit out of place, but appreciating the local vibe. Tomorrow we're off to Minneapolis. Wish me luck, guys.